In this video, you'll learn how to successfully pass Wecasa verification by understanding the essential requirements and preparing the necessary documents. You can streamline the verification process. To begin with, you will need to gather several essential documents. The first requirement is your UTR number from HMRC, which is crucial for compliance with the 2026 regulations. If you do not have a UTR number yet, you can obtain one by registering for self-assessment on the Gov. Identity verification is the next crucial step. Ensure you have a valid form of identification ready, such as a passport or driver's license. This document will help confirm your identity during the verification process. Another important document is a police record check. This is necessary to ensure that you meet the safety standards required for service providers. Be prepared to submit this document as part of your verification. In addition to these documents, it is essential to meet visa requirements. You must be eligible to work as self-employed in the UK. Note that student visas are not accepted, but graduate visas, which are valid for 2 years, are permissible. For service-specific checks, additional requirements exist based on the services you provide. If you are working in hairdressing, beauty or massage, Wecasa will verify your diplomas, certifications and relevant experience. For cleaning services, eligibility, identity, police record and experience will be verified through phone reference checks. Once you've compiled all your documents, Wecasa will conduct interviews, reference checks and background verification to ensure a high standard of service. It is crucial to have all your documents ready before starting this process, especially your UTR number, as it plays a significant role in the verification. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.